Hello guys, welcome back to a brand new YouTube video. Here is a Honda Rebel. Hvilken årsmodell er det? 1996. It's, I guess it has seen better days, but it looks pretty good for the age and last but not least, the kilometers. It's actually a pretty cool bike. I've tried it ran it to school, and it's not the fastest bike, but it's pretty cool with the twin cylinder and so on. Yes, we do a cold start now.
Da det hele greia. Går han på?
Noe spennende. Oi! Hekka som maler, oi! Tanken, nå skal jeg åpne den. Hekka som stiv, oi! Hadde råd. Også den, it's all stock, I guess. Some parts has been repainted. Håper en lyd. Jo. Håper den forbannet rå lyd. Twin exhaust. Hekkan. Well, this was just a short video of here's the proud owner. He's also the guy with the PX Honda. He likes Hondas, I guess. And yeah, comment down below if you want more of this bad boy right here. Thank you guys for watching.